Everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So you all are very well. Thank you so much for your support, help, understanding. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some beautiful, bright, exclusive handloom collections only for you. So let me display. This one also in a very beautiful bright color, royal blue shade. 31JY1 is saree code. 3200 is saree price. Very smart one, bright looks, based for your party wear also. Premium quality, pure handloom, silk, linen, Banarasi weaving work. This one is full base part, royal blue shade, bright royal blue shade, and this one is border portions, fine silver zari weaving design border, Banarasi weaving border, fully hand weaving, and this one is full base part, silk linen material, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully silver zari heavy weaving, Banarasi weaving design, and this one is border part, wide border, silver zari Banarasi weaving work. Very exclusive one, bright looks, royal blue shade with silver zari work. Very elegant, trendy, smart looks. Premium quality, silk linen, pure handloom silk linen with fine hand weaving, silver zari weaving design border, Banarasi weaving border. Very smart one. And this one is running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece. This one is bright blue shade base, and I will suggest this silk material, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3700 for your elegant, exclusive, bright party looks. This one also very elegant one, bright maroon red shade. 31JY2 is saree code. 2700 is a saree price. Very nice one, bright red shade, premium quality, pure handloom, lane by lane, and border design is very beautiful one, net border, golden zari weaving net border. This one is full base part, one portion is golden zari fine border, and this one is full base part, premium quality, fine lane by lane, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine golden zari smart stripes pattern pallu, and this one is border portions. Very nice one, fully net weaving border, golden zari weaving net border. This one is net border. Very smart, elegant looks, and this one is bright red base with golden zari net border. Very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, plain body shaded, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3500 for your elegant, exclusive, bright looks. This one also very smart one, smart trendy one. 31JY3 is saree code. 2600 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane, silver zari border, and full base part is Sivori dye. Very exclusive one, smart, elegant, trendy looks. This one is full base part. This one is silver zari border, base is fine lane by lane, and this one is silver zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful Sivori dye, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari stripes with beautiful Sivori dye. Very smart, elegant looks, based for your office wear also. Very stylish looks. This one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base. Very elegant one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3000 for your exclusive, elegant looks. Smart also. This one is very beautiful one, embroidery work. 31JY4 is saree code. 3200 is saree price. Base is fine lane by lane, pure handloom, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful, fine embroidery, floral embroidery design. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, fine lane by lane, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful, fine embroidery design, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari fine stripes pallu. Base is blue shade, golden zari border, and full base part is embroidery, floral embroidery design. Very smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece. This one is border portions, golden zari, premium quality, fine lane by lane. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3400 for your smart, elegant, bright looks. So, very beautiful color peach shade. 31JY5 is saree code, 3500 is a saree price. Very smart, beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, silk, clean embroidery design, very elegant color combinations, golden saree border, and this one is full base part, peach shade, soft silk clean material, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine floral embroidery design, and this one is pallu in golden zari stripes pattern, very smart elegant looks, golden zari border, peach shade, peach pink shade, soft silk clean, pure handloom silk clean, and this one is full base part, golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful fine embroidery design, soft lightweight comfortable. This one is full border portion, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is beautiful embroidery design, very elegant color combinations, golden zari border, beautiful peach pink shade, and I will suggest this silk material sequin work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3900 for your smart, bright, elegant looks. This one also very bright red shade, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk, 31JY6 is saree code, 2900 is saree price, very bright one, beautiful looks, golden zari work, golden zari border, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk. This one is full base part is beautiful heavy weaving design, golden zari weaving design buta, and this one is border portions, golden zari border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy golden zari weaving design, pallu part highlighted stripes lines, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta work. This one is full base part, bright fresh red shade, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving design buta, and this one is running blouse piece. This one is full base part, very bright elegant looks, soft lightweight comfortable, summer friendly also. And I will suggest the silk material weaving, heavy weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3400 for your bright beautiful looks. This one also very elegant one, elegant combinations also, color combinations also. 31JY7 is saree code, 3800 is saree price. Base is tasar with gicha pallu, and pallu gicha pallu is madhubani print, very beautiful elegant looks. Base is pink shade, golden zari border. This one is full base part, this one is border, very soft comfortable one, golden zari border, and this one is full base part, and this one is pallu gicha pallu with beautiful madhubani print, very elegant exclusive looks, soft lightweight comfortable, very elegant one. This one is pallu gicha pallu with madhubani print, and this one is full base part, very soft comfortable one, summer friendly. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is gicha pallu madhubani print, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving Banarasi, pure silk material with heavy weaving Banarasi work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4300 for your exclusive elegant looks. This one also very nice one, beautiful one, soft silk material with beautiful work border. 31JY8 is saree code, 2300 is saree price, very nice one, blue shade with beautiful golden zari fine weaving design border, soft lightweight comfortable summer friendly. This one is full base part, handloom soft silk, and this one is border, beautiful golden zari weaving with stripes pattern border design, very nice one, soft elegant looks. And this one is pallu part, pallu also stripes pattern pallu, golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, base is blue shade soft silk material, and this one is border portions, golden zari fine weaving design border. very smart one, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, plain body shaded with border, and this one is beautiful border, and this one is full base part plain, very elegant one. And I will suggest this brocade work, golden set, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, elegant, bright looks. Also in a very beautiful one, bright color, 31J9 JY9 is saree code, 4500 is saree price, very beautiful one, dual tone, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is full base part, natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is contrast color piping, and this one is beautiful weaving butta design, multi floral pattern weaving butta design, very elegant looks. And this one is full base part, bluish with red combined dual shade looks, very nice one. This one is full base part, beautiful weaving butta design. This one is contrast color running blouse piece and beautiful weaving butta. And this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color, fine stripes pattern, beautiful temple weaving design, contrast color pallu, very elegant, exclusive, bright looks. This one is full base part, multi floral weaving pattern, butta, big butta, and this one is full base part, natural fabric, lane by lane, very bright, elegant looks. And I will suggest this brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4700 for your bright, beautiful, elegant party looks. This one also bright color, beautiful one, cotton silk material, pure handloom, 31JY10 is saree code, 2900 is saree price, very bright one, beautiful color combinations also, border golden zari border and full border portions, golden zari weaving temple design. This one is full base part, this one is border design, golden zari temple weaving design border, and full base part is sequin work, weaving sequin work, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silk material. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color sequin work with beautiful golden zari weaving polka design pallu, very smart, bright, elegant look, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, sequin stripes design, temple weaving border, fully weaving design, golden zari weaving temple border. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, sequin stripes design, very bright, beautiful, elegant look, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree, fully heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3100 for your bright, beautiful looks. This one also very beautiful, bright, soft, summer friendly saree, 31JY11 is saree code, 2000 is saree price, very smart one, bright yellow shade, pure handloom, cotton by cotton with beautiful checks and butta combined work, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, this one is full base part, bright yellow shade. This one is border, silver zari with black contrast shaded weaving border, highlighted red piping, and this one is upper portions, beautiful fine weaving butta, and this one is bottom part, beautiful contrast color checks, very elegant, smart looks. And this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, very smart, elegant looks. This one is bottom part, contrast color checks, and upper part is beautiful weaving butta design, very smart, elegant looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom, cotton by cotton. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, bright one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2400 for your bright, beautiful, smart looks, best for your office wear. This one also khadi cotton, 31JY12 is saree code, 2300 is saree price, beautiful border pattern and weaving base part. This one is ikat border, soft comfortable pure handloom khadi cotton, and this one is full base part. This one is border portions, highlighted stripes with beautiful ikat pattern border, and this one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton, and this one is full base part, beautiful hand weaving buta design, bright color, contrast color weaving buta. Very elegant one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom khadi cotton. This one is running blouse piece plain, and this one is full base part, bright yellow shade, ikat border and weaving buta design. This one is beautiful weaving buta design, highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving buta, ikat border, contrast color ikat border. Very elegant one, summer friendly, based for your office wear, very smart looks. And I will suggest this ikat cotton fabric, beautiful ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 2900 for your smart elegant looks. This one also very bright, beautiful color, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk with beautiful heavy work. Let me open. 31JY13 is saree code, 2900 is saree price, based for your party wear, also very beautiful one. This one is full base part, bright color with beautiful weaving design, golden zari border and full border portions, contrast color with gold and golden zari weaving design work. This one is beautiful weaving border portions, and this one is full base part, golden zari weaving floral design, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted stripes, lahariya pattern stripes design, contrast color and beautiful golden zari weaving design, heavy weaving design pallu. And this one is full base part, golden zari border, and this one is full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, golden zari weaving buta, and this portion is border portions, contrast color with golden zari weaving design border portions. Very nice one. This one is full border, this one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material with heavy work. And I will suggest this brocade work, synthetic material brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this very bright brocade work, and with this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3100 for your bright beautiful looks. Very beautiful bright one, bright looks. 31JY14 is saree code, 4200 is saree price. Beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom, half matka half muslin, very nice one. This one is muslin part, beautiful weaving buta design. This one is muslin part, transparent with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. This one is muslin part, and this one is half portion is matka, bright yellow shade. This one is matka base split section, this one is running blouse piece, this one is matka half part, and this one is upper portion muslin transparent with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, and this one is pallu end also beautiful one, muslin with matka stripes with beautiful sequin design. Very nice one, smart beautiful bright looks, based for your party wear. Bright one, beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, muslin part, half part is pure matka. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 4600 for your bright beautiful party looks. This one also beautiful one, very bright also. 31JY15 is saree code, 5300 is saree price, pure handloom premium quality muslin with golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. This one is full base part is muslin, pure muslin, and this one is fine golden premium quality golden zari border, and this one is border portions fine fully hand weaving contrast color with golden zari threaded weaving design, jamdani weaving design border portion, and this one is full base part, beautiful contrast colored buta, transparent pure muslin, transparent base with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, and base is pure black base, bright black. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, hand weaving jamdani design, fine quality golden zari border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani design, very colorful, bright colorful looks. And this one is pallu in golden sarees, fine stripes pattern. Pallu in highlighted the pallu and beautiful jamdani design, very elegant one, pure muslin with jamdani design, transparent, very bright one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5700 for your bright, beautiful, elegant looks, gorgeous also. This one also very elegant one, pure muslin, premium quality muslin with beautiful hand weaving work. 31JY16 is a saree code, 4800 is a saree price, very nice one, contrast color border and full base part is beautiful hand weaving buta, pure muslin silk. This one is contrast color shiny silk material border, fine stripes, and this one is full base part, beautiful hand weaving buta design, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, very beautiful one, premium quality. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving design. This one is highlighted stripes lines, fully hand weaving design, very exclusive one, pure muslin with beautiful hand weaving work, very exclusive one, elegant color also, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work, buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5200 for your bright, beautiful, elegant looks, very exclusive also. And today I have draped a beautiful color saree, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane. This one is border portions, wide contrast color border, pink shade, base is parrot green and highlighted silver zari lines on border part, and full base part is beautiful floral embroidery, fine embroidery design, very nice one, beautiful looks. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very nice one, contrast color pallu, base is pure handloom, fine lane by lane, wide border, embroidery floral design, very exclusive one, 3400 is saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day. Thank you so much.